you see that? See me in the reflection. I've decided I'm going to do another little quick geocache hunt. There's one just on the outskirts of Filey, as you can maybe see on there. I'm going to go looking for that. Okay, let's go looking. Pretty quiet up the ravine today. Can you hear the birds? As you can see, this one is on the main road. So it will be fun trying to be discreet about this. Not far to go. I'll bring you back in a minute. As you can see, I'm quite close. It's actually in that direction. A sign of our times. As you can see, there is this new build going on here. Right, bit of a natter with the muggle there. He's gone on his way. Lovely dog. Anyway, back to the cache. Fence near the road. Right, I'm going in. I have already found this, I just haven't signed the log. I just thought it was quite cool actually. Move that branch out of the way. And can you see it? Just down there in a little pot. I just reach in. Look at that, look. Cool. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Just another little fun one. And I think I'll have a drop of coffee before going home and make a sandwich. Cheers.